Hi, myself Gautam Kumar T. I'm from Instrumentation College of Engineering, Bangalore. From the subject Database Management System, today I'm going to explaining about the management system. First, let us look into the contents. Today, we start with introduction, database, the key characteristics, size, database system, and what are the key features of database management system. First, let us look into the introduction. Introduction: Database or database technology have majorly impact on the growing use of computer. It is fair to say that database plays a critical role in among all the areas where computers are used, including businesses, electronic communications, electronic engineering, medical, law, education, library science, etc. This is the introduction for the topic. First, next, let us look into the what is database. A database is a collection of real data. By data, we mean the fact that it could be recorded and that have implant meaning. For example, consider name, telephone number, address of a people you know. This is what is database. Let us look into the key characteristics of database. Data organization. Data organization into a table or a file with a predefined structure allowing for easy storing and easily accessible. Data integrity. Databases ensures the accuracy and consistency of data through mechanisms such as constraints, violation, and rules. Data independence. Databases provides a level of abstract between physical storage of data and application using the data, allowing the changes to be made without affecting the applications. Query language. Database use query language such as SQL, structured query language to interact with data. SQL allows the user to retrieve, insert, update, delete the data. Concert current control. Database management manages control access by multiple users or applications to ensure data consistency. Next, we look into the database as the following implied properties. It presents some aspects of real world. Sometimes it is called mini world or the universe of discourse UOD. Changes to mini world are referred at databases. It is logically concrete data collection of data to which meaning can be attached. It is designed, built, and populated with data for specific purpose. It has it has been used for storing data. To summarize, a database as a same source that from the data are derived for the degree of interaction with the event in present mini world and audience with the interested in using it. Next, let us look into the size and complexity or computerized versus manual. Size and complexity. Database can be of any size and complexity. For example, the list of names and addresses refers to the early may consider of a few hundred records. Each of simple structure an example of large commercial database as Amazon.com. It consists of over 20 million books, CDs, videos, DVDs, games, electronics, other items. Computerized versus manual. Database can be generated and maintained manually or it may be computerized. For example, simple database like telephone directory may be created and maintained manually, and a huge complex database such can be created and maintained either by the group of application programs with written specifically for the task by or database management. Next, let us look into the database management system. Here we see what is database management system, DBMS. Database management system is a collection of programs enabling the users to create and maintain database. More specifically, the database management system is a general purpose software system that facilitates the purpose of defining, constructing, manipulating, sharing the database among various users and applications. Defining a database involves specifically a data types, structures, and the construction of data to be stored in a database. Database defined or present information is stored by DBMS in forms of database catalogs or directories. It may be called as metadata. Constructing the database is the process of storing the data in same storing medium that is controlled by the DBMS or database management system. Manipulating the database including functions of such as queries and database to retrieve the specific data, updating the database to refer changes in mini world, and the generating report from the data. Sharing database allows the multiple users and the programmers to access the data simultaneously. Next, let us look into the key factors of data management system. That is DDL, data defined language. DDL is used to define the structure of database including tables, relationship and constants. Data manipulation language DML. DML allows the user to interact with the data, performing the operations such as query, insertion, updating and deleting record. Data security. DBMS provides the mechanism to control access to data, ensuring that only authorized user can view or modify the specific information. Data recovery. In case of system failure or errors, DBMS provides a tool of data recovery and restoring. Popular DBMS systems include Oracle, MySQL, Software SQL Services, Postgres, or other database or non-SQL databases. Understanding database and DBMS is crucial for developing database administration, and any other working data drive application. It forms a backbone for information system, supporting the efficiency and securing the data, retrieving and manipulation of data. Next, let us look into the types of databases. Relation database, non-SQL database, object-oriented database, graphical-based database. Oracle database is into the tablet, it performs a relationship including MySQL, etc. Next, let us look into the components of database system. That is data, database schema, database engineering, query performance, and transition management. Next, let us look into the database models. Hierarchy module, network module, relational module, and entity relationship module, object-oriented module. These are the database models. Next, let us look into the challenges of database management system: sustainability, security, data modeling, and performance optimizing. Next, we have one more, that is trends in database managing. Cloud database, which is used to store the data in cloud management, and big data databases, blockchain, serverless database. Understanding database and DBMS is crucial for the world of information technology. This is about our database system. Now let us look into an example of database. Consider a university database of maintaining information concerning student course, grades, and university. Database on 5 files. Each stored database required same. Next, let us look. There is student, course, section, grade report, and prerequisites. In student, we have name, student number, class, major, and in course we have course name, course number, credits hour, and department. In section we have department identifier, course number, semester, year, instructor. In grade report we have student number, section identification, and grades. And prerequisition is having course number and prerequisition number. This is about a small example of database that stores student data and course information. And this is all about in this video. Thank you.